Good morning, students. Good morning. Today discuss about how to write journal entries for business transactions. How to write journal entries for the business transactions. So these are the business transactions. Example, you have to write journal entries. Write journal entries. First one, 2014 February 1st, goods sold to Mohan 12,000. Second one, February 3rd, cash received from Radha 8,000. February 7th, rent paid 500. February 9th, cash deposited into bank 6,000. Cash deposited into bank 6,000. So these are the business transactions. Journal entries రాయాలి on the basis of three accounting principles. ఈ three accounting principles బేస్ చేసుకుంటూ మన జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ రాయాలి. సో ఫస్ట్ ఫార్మాట్ గీయండి. జనరల్ ఎంట్రీస్ ఫార్మాట్. ఫస్ట్ కాలం డేట్, సెకండ్ కాలం పర్టికులర్స్, థర్డ్ కాలం ఎల్ఎఫ్, ఫోర్త్ వన్ డెబిట్ అమౌంట్, fifth one credit amount. This is the format of journal entries. So this is the journal entries format. So first one చూడండి, 2014 February 1st, goods sold to Mohan. Goods sold to Mohan. It is a business transaction. In every business transaction there are two aspects. In every business transaction there are two aspects. One is debit aspect, another one is credit aspect. One is debit aspect, ASPECT aspect. Another one is credit aspect. There are also two aspects. One is sold, another one is Mohan. One is sold, another one is Mohan. Mohan is a person. Mohan is a person. Person relating to personal account. Person relating to personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So goods sold to Mohan. Mohan sold is receiver. Mohan is receiver. Receiver always debit. They are automatically sold is credit CR. In other hand, sold means incomes. Sold means incomes. Incomes relating to nominal account. Incomes relating to nominal account. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. So sold means incomes. Incomes always credit. Automatically Mohan is debit. So which aspect is debit? Mohan is debit. Mohan is debited. So which aspect is debit? It can write first. ఏదైతే డెబిట్ ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఉందో దాన్ని ఫస్ట్ రాసుకోవాలి. సో మోహన్ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు సేల్స్ అకౌంట్. సోల్డ్ V3 లో ఉంది, సో V1 లో తెచ్చుకోవాలి. సేల్స్ సోల్డ్ సో V1 తెచ్చుకుంటే సేల్స్ అకౌంట్. మోహన్ అకౌంట్ డేటా టు సేల్స్ అకౌంట్ 12,000. ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ బీయింగ్ goods sold to Mohan. Being goods sold to Mohan. It is nothing but just before the transaction adding being. Before the transaction goods sold to Mohan is transaction. Before the transaction adding being, being add చేస్తే explanation, narration అవుతుంది. NARRATION narration. So the date calendar date in 2014 February 1st. Mohan account data to sales account being goods sold to Mohan 12,000. First generation. Second one చూడండి, cash received from Radha. Cash received from Radha. It is also business transaction. There are also two aspects. One is cash, another one is Radha. One is cash aspect, another one is Radha. She is a person. Person related to personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So cash received from Radha. Radha నుంచి receive అవుతుంది. It means she is giver. Radha is giver. Giver always credit CR. Automatically cash is debit. In other hand, cash means asset. Cash అంటే ఏంది? Asset. Asset relating to real account. What comes in debit? What goes out credit? what comes in debit, what goes out credit. So cash received, so it means cash in అవుతుంది, it means cash in అవుతుంది. So what comes in debit, dr, cash debit, automatic గా Radha is credit, Radha is credit. So which aspect is debit? Cash aspect is debit. It can write first. So cash account debtor to Radha account 8,000 date 2014 February 3rd. Explanation 1. Being cash received from Radha. Being cash received from Radha 8,000. This is good. Complete. Next, 7th transaction. 2014 February 7th rent to pay. 2014 February 7th rent to pay. About two transactions, there are two aspects. About two transactions, there are two aspects. One is sold, another Mohan. Cash, Radha. About two transactions, there are two aspects. But particular this transaction, there is only one aspect, that is rent to pay. That is rent to pay. Okay, aspect rent to pay. Rent to pay means expense. Rent to pay means expense. Expense related to nominal account. Expense relating to nominal account. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. All expenses, losses are debit. All income gains are credit. So rent to pay means expense. Expenses always debit to DR. Expenses compulsory payment cheya. Expenses compulsory payment cheya. How to pay? In the form of cash. In the form of cash. Cash is credit. Cash is credit. So which aspect is debit? Rent is debit. So rent account debtor to cash account 500 being rent to pay. Rent account debtor to cash account being rent to pay 500 date 2014 February 7th. So either debit aspect to the first rashi, credit aspect to next raya. Next one, last one, 9th February 9th. Cash deposited into bank 6,000. Cash deposited into bank 6,000. It is also business transaction. There are also two aspects. It is also business transaction. There are also two aspects. One is cash, another one is bank. One is cash, another one is bank. One is cash, another one is bank. Bank means concern. Concern relating to personal account. Relating to personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. So cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. Cash deposited into bank. It means bank is receiver. Receiver always debit to DR. So automatically cash is credit. Cash is credit. In other hand, cash means asset relating to real account. Cash means asset relating to real account. What comes in debit, what goes out credit. What comes in debit, what goes out credit. So cash deposited into bank. Bank lo deposit, it means cash out అవుతుంది. It means cash out అవుతుంది. What goes out? Credit. So it is cash is credit, automatically bank is debit. So which aspect is debit ikkada? Bank. So it can write first. Bank account debtor to cash account 6,000 being cash deposited into bank. Being cash deposited into bank 2014 February 9th. So itla manam record chesukoవాలి. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow.